Yes, so my correct people, nothing missing, nothing broken. I hope say yo go fit sleep this night. I hope say them go fit sleep this night too. No be small matter. I cannot wait for waiting Queen May is cooking. Queen May with Deyemi. Deyemi is one of the biggest actor right now in Nollywood. If you know, you know. Yes, so with Deyemi, with Sisi, with Whitemoney, with Jackery, with Lillian Dimma, and our beautiful ever Queen May and Ike Oyema of Big Brother. See, if you are big, you are big. Me, I don't talk this thing and I'm going to talk am. If you are big, you are big. Queen May too big. I can't wait for her to find love again because it will be beautiful. You know, say rich people love and poor people love no be the same thing. Ikpeke. Hey. Amu Bingo and in Bathsheba, they will go set ring light now. They'll come begin to say, vanity upon vanity. Vanity upon vanity, but Judy ain't going to snatch man. Deyemi, take your time, oh. I know they use my Queen May play, oh. Take your time. You understand? No be small matter. No be small matter. God, I thank you for the life of Queen May. The Egyptian she saw yesterday, she will never see them again. And who be the Egyptian? The husband of her youth, when na enemy disguised as a man. God will never allow her to see such human beings in her entire life again. The day Queen May go engage, physically we go organize party. Abuja, Lagos, Benin, Nasarawa, London, Paris, Canada. That day they fit buy. But wetin Queen May dey cook, we no know. You understand? It can't dey be me like say, make this guy just kiss Queen May. Like, just do it. Let anything happen, may happen. Now to tell you how we dey hungry for this Queen May to love. This one, my queen, is with BBN stars. And Deyemi, the king of all kings. My brothers, my sister, Muna, see if you are close to you, please check on him. We are not mocking him, we love him. If you are close to yo, check on him because e no easy. E no easy, say, you see this kind of woman wey got potential, you go follow Akpaku, you go follow Akpagari, you go follow old layer chicken wey don lay. They give am medicine, lay, they lay, no fit lay again. E no easy. It just be like say you from pan to fire. From fire, you go ashes. From ashes, na hellfire straight. You understand? That is how yo is going through. My brothers and sisters, so, hey! See yo levels. I beg, make una no vex. Since wey Juju Ekwesu don dey claim say she be superstar, she did this Nollywood. Apart from Sarah Martins, I beg, who Judy Austin dey ever snap better picture with? Hey! No be other one abi yo, where she go ask street Austin with Asaba people. Even the Asaba people, nobody dey post her picture. Because nobody want dey associated with failure. Nobody want dey associated with wishing. Nobody want dey associated with Bathsheba. Nobody want dey associated with Jezebel. You understand? You understand? Your clique, they say your clique matters in this life. Your clique matters in this life. See Queen May clique. See the way her clique, they give us joy. See the way her clique, they give us happiness. Now wetin I dey always tell una be that. Now wetin I dey always tell una be that. May your clique, they give you happiness and joy. If your clique no dey give you happiness and joy, leave them, go find another one. If it be say, now then they cover your happiness and your peace. Yes. This picture too sweet me. Amazing Queen May. The older she get, the younger she's getting. Time where Queen May suppose use enjoy her life. Her 20s, her 30s, use and they work for man. Queen May go they work for yo, they cover up yo shame. To make sure say yo be somebody. To make sure say yo stand up tall. At the end of the day, wetin yo do her. At the end of the day, mokuna come talk and people of God, wetin yo do her. Yo stab her. You understand? See, Queen May has been behind the scene for too long. It's time for her to shine. Now make una see say her shining kai. The way she dey shine, una go know say God hand dey. The way Queen May dey shine, una go know say God hand dey. See the way they look at her like admiration. if you see Queen May for real life, she said, camera no dey do justice to Queen May. I don talk am before. Camera no dey do justice to Queen May. If you see her skin be like small pikin own. Her skin be like small pikin own. And the way she dey talk, so calming, so loving, and so excellent. My brothers and sisters, now they see Queen May. Una dey see her. Now this one, the Bible talk say, thou prepared a table for me in the presence of my enemies. Hi! This one, now they say, thou prepared what? A table for me in the presence of your enemies. Yo and Judy Austin then combine together. For their mind, they won't take over Nollywood. For their mind, two of them, their combination. Judy Austin go they produce, yo go they act. You understand? They no say, no be like that, it's in the work. Now who God favor? Now how God carry favor person, you understand? See Queen May now, she dey do am effortlessly. And I hear say something is cooking. No? Then say, if you see the amount of script where Queen May don't reject, kai! I say this woman, she know her onion. No only person we know her onion, we know her value, now go dey reject script. If you see the amount of script where Queen May don't reject, you no go understand. Queen May reject it and reject it with her footstep because she no fit dey act anything. But Judy Austin, even that script wey be say Queen May dey reject, Judy Austin dey find her, but no be her type. Person wey no fit sell her own movie, na another person movie she wan sell. Make una dey talk true if una see one. Make una dey talk true if una see one. Yo, Judy Austin no fit sell her own movie. Na person movie she wan come sell. How she wan pass sell am? Where she wan pass from? Una understand? Now wow. My brothers and sisters, tomorrow now, or even today, yo and Judy Austin go set camera. They'll go set camera. Then go begin sing, begin dance because now waiting them good for. Efulefu, they cannot wait. Nonsense. All I see is peace of mind. Anytime I see Queen May, the only thing why they see is peace of mind. That woman too know herself. Peace of mind and grace. Person wey carry grace, Person wey carry grace. She no need anybody to tell her, come out. No. See, once you carry grace, grace go define you. Anywhere where you go, now grace go dey follow you. Now so it dey work. Now how the matter dey? Because if they like, make them set ring light. If they like, make them come borrow, their neighbor ring light. That won't concern them. Waiting will know be say Queen May go prosper, and that is on period. And nobody born of a man will stop her from prospering. If you know, you know. Now how the matter dey so, una know now.